Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. One of my Indian students appeared in IELTS. On the day he received his result, he was rather unhappy with his result because they gave him the result that was not acceptable for him. Like they gave him speaking 6.5, whereas he was actually expecting more band score. His overall band was listening 6, reading 6, writing 6 and speaking 6.5. So he decided to apply for EOR. EOR means inquiry on result. That means you are unhappy with your result or you are dissatisfied with your result and you want Cambridge to re-evaluate your speaking and writing. By the way, EOR will not help you with listening and reading. It will only help you with speaking and writing because listening and reading, they are like mathematics. Correct answer, wrong answer, correct answer, wrong answer. So he decided to go for EOR and he applied EOR on 3 modules and those modules were reading, writing and speaking. Unfortunately, his reading score did not change, his writing score did not change, but his speaking score changed from 6.5 to 7, half band. And luckily, with this increment in speaking module, he is able to get his EOR fee back. EOR has fee which is equal to around 70% IELTS test fee. Once the band score changes means once the band score improves, you can get your money back. And if it does not improve, your money is gone and then you will cry, what happened to me? Okay, so anyways, I congratulate him and I've made a message. There are 11 points to consider before you apply for EOR. So you can go through that message and then you can decide whether you fall in that category where applying EOR is going to be fruitful to you or not. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.